Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's tutorial is on this makeup look here. So I just got the Makeup Shayla times ColourPop new collection. Her new collection is really nice. It's bomb. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to do a video for you guys. I wanted to do a tutorial to show you how I got this look. So if you are interested on this makeup look and using these products, the new ColourPop collection by Makeup Shayla, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already did one eye off camera besides lashes because I didn't really know what I wanted to do or where I was going. So for time purposes, I just said, let me just do one eye off camera. That way I know where I'm going, I know what I'm doing, I won't get distracted. So let's just get into the other eye then. So of course, as you already saw, I'm using my Makeup Shayla times ColourPop Proceed with Caution palette. And then with my P. Louise base, eyeshadow base, I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. My hands look like this. Oh please, why did I just do that? My nails look atrocious. Just going in with the flat brush, and this is a brush I always use to clean up my brows as well. 248 MAC 248. I'm just gonna put this. And if you don't have an eyeshadow base, you can always use a concealer. This is literally so that the shadows show up and they don't like wipe off throughout the day if you have like oily eyelids or whatever may be going on. My blending brush, this is Sigma E40. It's kind of rubbed off. And I'm going to go in with Culture. This transition shade. It's really good. That looks really good, guys. I'm just like, oh. This palette did me some justice. Alright, so I'm going to just go in and blend away. And I'm gonna go in, not really cutting the crease, but I do want it to be a little bit, I don't know how to explain it. I'm cutting it, but I'm not cutting it. Like, it's not dramatic cut, if that makes sense. I'm just going go in with a flat 239 brush from MAC, and I'm gonna go in with the color Proceed, and I'm just gonna put that like right in my inner corner just to kind of brighten it up. Alright, so I'm going with the same brush, maybe just take it on the back, and I'm gonna go in with the color Dead End. That is the gold shade. Really pretty. See how that goes on there. I just want to keep the lighter shade just kind of in the beginning, like so. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Maintenance, and that's this reddish shade here. Yep, this red shade. And I'm going in with my Smith 230 brush. This is a really good blending brush too, guys. Put it on the end. Smoke it out. I normally just pat the color in first, and then I'll blend it outwards without adding any more. Look how fire that look. Fire. And it's not even blended yet, and it's looking like fire. Where am I going? Nowhere. It's okay. And what I do with this is kind of like drag it from the inside out. That way you don't see where the gold stops and the other color starts. You just want it to like gradually blend. Where'd you come from? I have a visitor, guys. He's drama. He is drama. Say hi. It's my baby. This is my son. Say hi, Cash. I didn't even know he was sitting underneath my table. I wanted to say hi. Actually, he's probably just hiding because I think they're cutting the grass outside. He's probably scared. My baby. Look at my spoiled little baby. She's my only son. My one and only. Look at my baby. Hi, stinker man. He's like, what is happening? Let me go. Hi, Stinky. Oh, yo, I love him so much. Say hi, my name is Cash. My name is Cash Man. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte liquid liner to kind of wing this baby out. Same thing where I don't go all the way to the inside of my eye because it's just been giving me like a snatch situation. Like, I don't know, like it's been like opening up my eyes. It's been doing something. It's been whatever it is. So now for the inner corner, I'm just gonna go in with the yellow shade, and that is in Caution, of course. And I'm gonna put that right there. Alright guys, so I just went in with my Ardell Mega Volume Lashes. These are in the style 251. 251. They're really natural, so if you're looking for like a super natural, maybe I don't have no makeup on type of lash, these are it. Which is weird because I'm confused to even how I picked these up, because normally my lashes are like long and wispy. So I'm gonna go with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I'm just gonna put this all over. This smells amazing. Oh my god. I got this, and then I bought the cleanser in the eye, the bright eye brightener. Oh my god, this smells amazing. I would use it for the smell alone. And it has like a little glow to it. I guess that's why it's the brightening cream. And then I'm gonna go in with the same Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I like to show them a lot of attention if I can. So this is supposed to help your concealer stay and give you like a brighter effect underneath the eyes, which I'm here for. I'm here for it. I probably use too much because I do too much, but today I decided to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and this is in the shade 360. Going in with my damp beauty blender and putting this all over. I haven't used my Fenty foundation in a while, and I'm sitting here thinking like, why? What are you doing? What has been life? Like, look at that. It's really lightweight, but it still gives you that coverage. But this foundation is so, doesn't feel heavy. Like, I feel like I could wear this in the summertime and not feel like I have a whole face cake of makeup. You know? My body is the same color. Neck, face, all that. I hope it don't look no different off camera. I mean, to you guys, cause right now I'm looking like the same shade. Now I'm going in with 2 concealers, one to just conceal and then one to brighten. So the first one to conceal, I'm using the Born This Way Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer. This is in the shade Warm Sand. I'm going in with ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Dark 32. Medium Dark 32, sorry. And this is a little bit brighter than me. It doesn't look that much brighter than me off camera, but it is. It's a little lighter. Don't try to play me. It's light enough that it will get the job done. This is just highlighting the natural spots of the face. And if people never understood what highlighting is, when you have no makeup on, I know I look crazy right now, but when you have no makeup on and when the light hits you and you see the lightness of your face, that's what highlighting is. And when you see the contour of your face, that's what contouring is. Because once you put foundation on, all that goes away. So you have to reapply the contour and the highlight of the naturalness of the face, if that makes sense. I hope it does. So next time you have no makeup on and you're standing in the sunlight, you'll see these are the areas where where you're naturally lighter. And then these are the areas around the forehead where you contour or where you naturally are darker. But when you put foundation on, all that goes away. So you just looking like a potato face. So that's where highlighting and contouring comes in, because you have to go back in and resculpture your face basically. If you didn't know, now you know. If you did, you did. But for those of you who didn't, I just wanted to make it clear, because a lot of people just be out here highlighting and contouring and don't even understand why. They're like, they just think, oh, I'm just supposed to do it. Why am I doing it? That's why you're doing it. And wonder why you see a big difference in your makeup. You're doing it because your foundation hides the natural light and structure of your face. So you have to reapply that. And that's where highlighting and contouring comes in. If you've ever taken a picture without makeup, you'll see where that light naturally hits your face. It's normally the T-zone, and it's normally darker on the outside. Lesson 101. For contour, I am going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Multi-Use. This is a foundation stick. I just got it in the shade Deep Bronze, and I use it for contouring. And I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm going to blend out that contour. So I'm going to kind of drag it down. I don't want it to be too far down, but blend it out. And don't worry if it looks like it's blended all the way out, because I'm going to set it with the bronzer. So it's going to come back to life. I don't want it to look too harsh. I want to be out here looking crazy. That is not the goal. See, it just gives it a little bit of something. And I'm going to brush that back into my hairline. I'm going to go in with my Morphe E46. And I like this because it's like contoured, so it gets in the creases of the nose. I'm just gonna pull this down. Make sure you blend out that nose contour because we do not want two runway lines going down the face. Blending is key in makeup in general. Blending eyes, blending contour, blending foundation, just blend. To set my face, I'm using a new translucent powder today, so I'm hoping I'm liking it. So this is gonna be a first impressions. I'm going in with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. So let's hope that I like it. This is what it looks like. It's a little expensive, guys, so I hope that I like it. But if not, my go-tos are normally the Laura Mercier or the Huda Beauty translucent powder. Those are normally my go-tos. I just like to try new things that are on the market because why not? Trying new things is fun. But I'm still going in with my powder puff, my Laura Mercier powder puff, because I found that when I use my beauty blender and it's still a little damp, it kind of cracks up the makeup, or it kind of like picks it up and then it's messed up and then I'm mad and then I'm annoyed. So I've been liking to use my powder puff these days, and I'm just gonna gently, but I'm gonna let that sit. But it's giving me like a soft glow. I like it. I like it, guys. While that's doing what it does, I'm going to go in with my flat brush, MAC 212. Going back in the palette, and I'm going in with Maintenance. And guys, so now I'm just gonna wipe away. Again, this is my first day trying this as well, so I hope I like it, and I can't get it open. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm going in with Caramel Cutie. Going in with Fenty Beauty setting brush. This is in 170. Yeah. And I'm just going to bronze. I like where this is going. But go back in with that powder and kind of clean up my contour. I'm going with my Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna set my face first so that my highlight can pop, like really pop, you know? This smells amazing. And I'm gonna go in with my Becca Champagne Pop highlight. Amazing. Go in. See how it just sticks? And slow down in the satin liquid lipstick, and then I'm going in with BFF4 liner. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not already done so. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Just let me know if you like videos like these, what you want to see next, what you want to see more of. And I hope you like the outcome of this look. This is the finished look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.